Hello, today I am sharing some items from IKEA I have purchased. First item is this is soap dispenser bottle. This I bought for rupees 79. This is a glass bottle. Hooks, you can use it for your kids' room, bags and something like that, towel or everything. This I bought for I think 3.99 something. This is the bulb. I exactly don't remember the price of this bulb. Ten hangers, which is for rupees 149. I think so. These are the refill of dust or lint cleaner, something like that. This is dirty now. We have to peel it from here, then you can use it. These are some hooks. This comes with adhesive tape. You can hang clothes, bags. The three-piece set. And these are also hooks. And these are for 99 rupees, two pieces. You can use them over the door. And these are two candle holders. One piece is for 39 rupees. And this is scented candle. This is one piece for 79 rupees. This is a glass bottle. And scissors. I bought two scissors. One is for 49 rupees. And these are also some hooks only. This is something like this. You have to drill it. These are also hooks. These are also same. You have to drill them. You can use it on your balcony or anywhere. You can hang some plants or something. These are also same, one piece for 49. I bought these two baskets. You can organize anything in your drawers or in your fridge. This is also one piece for 49 rupees. This is the froth maker machine. We have to put the cell by ourselves. And this is for 99 rupees. And I bought this vase. And this is for 199 rupees. It is very beautiful. You can only put one flower or fresh flowers as well. And pretty good for 199. Another vase. And this is for rupees 99, I think. Yes, this is 99 rupees. This is also quite big, not that small. I bought this mat where you can dry your glasses or even steel vessels. 199 rupees. And I bought some more hangers for my daughter. From kids section only you will get it. These are some organizer boxes like this. I will open it and show you. You will get them something like this, and you will get 3 of these. These are not much big, but good for your kids' clothes, small clothes, or their toys. That colorful things they like, right? So these are, I think, 3 for 6.99. They are of good quality. This is a tissue holder, but I bought it for something else. I will show you in upcoming videos where I used it. Hope it will go as per my plan. So this is for 199. Metal stand. These are some shelf holders. You have to drill them on the wall. This is one piece for 50 rupees. These are made up of plastic. These are also adhesive stickers. I used them before as well. They are good. These are for 2 for 49. These are also all hangers only. You can use it for your clothes to hang. You have to drill them, but whenever you are using it, you can open it, and whenever you are not using, then just close it. So this is a cup holder. Okay. This is something like this. You have to insert it in your cupboard. You can use it. You can use it even for your jewelry to hang, bag, or anything. And this is one piece for 199. I bought it too. Even they given some rubbery things over here so that your cupboard may not get damaged. This is also over the cupboard only, or the drawer organizer, something they say. Okay. This is something like this. This you have to insert in your drawers or cupboard, and this is for 299. This is the photo frame I bought. This is the 40 into 50 centimeter photo frame with the plastic glass. Quite big. You can use it vertically or horizontally. And another thing I bought is something like this. This is a table, small table. They have given the screws. This is the bigger size. Even they have the small size, exactly half of this. And this is for 399, and the smaller one is for 299. And the thing is, this is a curtain rod. This curtain rod is very low price. I don't know the local store prices, but this is we bought for 129 rupees. I bought this mat, and this is for 349. These are my purchase from IKEA. If you like it, please like and share the video, and I will share where I'm going to use all these things in my upcoming videos. So do subscribe and follow my channel. Thank you. Bye.